Hey guys, today we are doing a tutorial and review of the Kiko Milano Fruit Explosion eyeshadow palette, and this is in 03 Tropical Chic. This is the packaging, and then this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I absolutely love this. It looks like a kiwi. It's got the case on it for Kiko, and I love this packaging. It's the perfect color. It's very small. I think it'll be awesome for travel. I paid $18 for this, and I got it online at Ulta. I think it's a little expensive, but once we start applying and all of that, you guys will see what I think of this. But as far as packaging, it is awesome. It's different, and I love that. So this is a super cool tone palette. That's why I was drawn to it. I like the grays in here. If you are new here, I always want to let you know I use all natural lighting, so you guys are going to see these colors exactly as they are. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, I hope you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And let's go ahead and hop in. Okay, eyes are primed and set with concealer. We're gonna first start out with this shade. It might be a little too light for the crease, but we're gonna try. And this packaging, I'm sure I told you guys in the intro, but it is the cutest. Looks like a little kiwi. I love it. And of course, we don't have the face done yet. I want to do the eyes first so we have the luxury of being messy. So I'm putting this in the upper crease, like, you know, if you have hooded eyes, you have an upper crease and a real crease. We fake creases around here, so that's what we're doing. This is just a smidge too light, but we'll see. I think if you have a lighter skin tone than I do, this would be a beautiful light wash of color. So now we're gonna go in with this guy over here. I have just been wanting some cooler shades, honestly. It's just, I have so many warm tone palettes. I mean, so many. It's like I'm over it. So we're going cool. I'm gonna put this a little bit lower. These shades are a bit firmer pressed than I'm used to, but that is okay. I'm gonna pull this out kind of towards the temple. And like I said, we have that luxury of being messy. And then I'm gonna take it kind of all the way in and then all the way out. So I hope you guys are doing well. We have had so much going on lately. That's why I've not had too many videos out. Luckily, I got a few out, which I'm sure you guys have already seen, with the Maybelline and the concealer, all of that. So yeah, we've just had a lot going on. Hopefully everything's kind of slowing down, getting better. But yeah, we've just had a ton going on. And my youngin' wants to go back to school full time. So hopefully next year that is what we're gonna do. I'm pretty happy about that though. He made his own decision. He chose, you know, he wanted to go. He told me he wanted to go. So that's, hopefully we're gonna make that happen. School starts back here in August, the beginning of August. So I'm already thinking about school. Ugh. All right, I'm gonna switch my brush. I'm gonna take this little Morphe M507 and go in with the darker matte shade. And these shades have really been blending out nicely. Oh yeah, this is like a beautiful gray. Oh, so pretty. This is what I've been wanting, yes. And then I'm just lightly pulling it out. Making that not so stark. Oh yeah, this is what I have wanted. I'm gonna take a little bit more of it and I'm gonna put it on the lash line here. Almost like a faux wing shape. Almost connecting it to where we pulled it up there. Yes! I'm so happy about these cooler tones, you guys. You don't even know. Yes, that is exactly what I wanted. Like what I was thinking I wanted to do. Now this side is a little bit trickier where it is hooded more than my other eye. So I have to kind of make sure that they line up correctly. Fun times. And then same thing, just really small circular motions. And then back and forth. Oh, this is gorgeous. Love this shade. Everything has blended out really nicely. I've not had any issue whatsoever. It's like really gloomy here. It really, like it's kind of windy. It feels like rain, looks like rain, but we're not supposed to have any rain. So we'll see. I'm gonna go back in with this shade and just go right above just to make sure everything is blended out nicely. Oh, I'm so excited about this look, you guys. I truly am. Like, I'm just over the warm tones. No, I mean, I love the warm tones, don't get me wrong. But it's like we have so much warmth. I just want some cool. I want some cool. I just want it. Especially grays. I don't know, it's like a true gray is so hard to find. So I'm loving this palette. Sorry, my dog's walking around. You can hear his toenails. Gonna take this shade, the creamy white shade. And like I said, these are pretty firmly packed, like pressed in. They're not super powdery, but they have blended out amazingly well. Now I'm gonna put this on the lid. So stinking pretty. I'm gonna take a pencil brush with our darker gray here. And then kind of do the same thing. I'm getting a little bit of fallout, but it's not too bad, which I do have a pencil brush here. So trying to decide if I want an actual wing or not. Like if I want to just kind of leave it like this, or if I want to use liner. Grab just like a eyebrow brush just to wing this out a little bit better. Not actually winging it out, but you guys know what I mean. I'm gonna take this shade, the one that we went in with first. I'm gonna put that by the brow bone. If it's not light enough, then I'll actually pull in the cream shade. Looks pretty good to me though. Now, I've already swatched these, but I'll go ahead and swatch them again so you guys can see. These are beautiful shimmers. I mean, beautiful. So there are the 4 shimmer shades. They're gorgeous. The 2 in the middle here, this one and this one, I love them. So I'm going to hop off of here, throw the rest of the face on, then we'll come back, do the lower lash line and the inner corner, and then we will finish talking about this palette. Okay guys, we are back. This is our finished look. I went ahead, I did the lower lash line because it's practically nothing. I just took the darker gray shade, ran it really, really tight on the lower lash line with a brush like this, and then I put this shade on the inner corner to highlight, and I have to say I love this look. Oh, my dog. Anyway, I love this look. I love this little palette, and this whole style of eye look, oh my gosh, you could do a pop of color with this one in the middle. I didn't want to use it today because I wanted to go just very gray and cool, but this, instead of using this other gray shade, you could put this shade right above the gray, and you guys, I guarantee you it would look awesome. So do I recommend this? Absolutely, 100%. If you are in the market for a cool toned little palette, this will not do you wrong. I love this. I love that it's different. There's some cool colors in it, the grays, that's really what I'm after, and then a pop of color. I mean, you can't go wrong. Everything blended out beautifully. These are pressed a bit harder, like I've said, so they're not super powdery. You just have to kind of dip in a little bit more than a powdery shadow would. But I love this, you guys. I think this is the absolute cutest packaging, so 100% I definitely recommend this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you want to see more or if you want to see different palettes. Just let me know down below. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today and watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.